Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today we're going to talk about what the national speed limit is if you are towing a trailer. Now, if you are driving down a dual carriageway or a motorway, then the speed limit would be 70 miles an hour. However, if you are towing a trailer, then you should be driving 10 miles an hour, less than that, so 60 miles per hour. If you're following a country road and there's a national speed limit, which would be 60, then you should drive at 10 miles an hour less again. So we're driving at 50 miles an hour. So whenever there's a national speed limit and you're towing a trailer, remember that the speed limit is 10 miles per hour less than what it would be if you weren't towing that trailer. If you found the information useful, please give it a like, comment and share. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or join our online theory course to help you pass your theory test by visiting www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.